Hey everybody. Okay, so this is what you were working on in class today. So let's go over it. A lot of you turned it in. I'll look over it this evening and then we'll get to it tomorrow. So number 2, we did this one together. Number 2, Patricia charges $12 to rake the yard. She charges $5 per hour to bag the piles of leaves for 2 hours. So this is what she's going to charge to rake the yard. It's at $12. Then she's going to add, she'll rake it. Now it's going to cost you for her to bag it. $5 an hour for 2 hours. And that was your equation. This one right here, if you want it to, you can have it where, because it's Frank had $25 in his checking account, he withdrew $15, so it's 25. You can do minus 15 and then minus 9. You can do it either way, and that would be great. Let's look at words to match the expression. So here it's 3 times 2, excuse me, times 3 times 15. So one example is that if I had for 5 nights, a week, and I'm going to do this for 2 weeks. Sally played 3 different video games. I should have written the word different. Excuse me. For 15 minutes. I don't know where that I came from. Each game. You can put each or just each game. All right, so we have for 5 nights a week. For 2 weeks, Sally played 3 different video games for 15 minutes each. So here I have my 5 times 2 weeks, my 3 video games at 15 minutes per video game, and then how much would that be? Let's look at number 4. 36 plus 2 times 3. And these are just examples. You do not have to have these. You can make, you're making up your own, but are we on the same track? The plant is 36 inches tall. It grows 2 inches. This is another symbol for inches, or you can just write the IN abbreviation, inches. Each month for 3 months. Okay, and yours will look a little bit different, and that's okay. Okay, so we have 5 plus 10 divided by 5. So I'm going to say that we use Andrew buys 5 chocolates. I should just put, I meant to put chocolate chip cookies, so he eats cookies. And he buys 10 sugar cookies. He divides them equally between 5 lunch boxes. Okay, so there's another one. And let's look at this last one. 12 times 2 plus 4 times 3. We have, let's say, Jonathan scored 12 2-point baskets and 4 3-point basket, or yeah, and 4 3-point free throws. I could have put the baskets, but there we go. All right, make sure that you you can write your own stories following along that same line. If you're needing to, you can write down these if you're still struggling with that one, but it's really important for you to understand. Let's see if I can enlarge this just a bit. There we go. There's that one. There's number 6, number 4, and number 3. All right, let's look at number 7. Dominic makes a design with 5 rows of 6 tiles. He frames the same design in 7 different frames to sell at the craft fair. Write an expression to match the words, and how many tiles does Dominic use? All right, so what do I know? Dominic makes a design with 5 rows of 6 tiles. So I know that's going to be a 5. There's that of times 6. And he frames the same design in 7 different frames. Okay, so this tells me this is going to be the 7 different frames. So he's going to have 30 times 7, and have 210, 210 tiles. And it's 7 different frames. How many tiles does Dominic use? There you go. Tim buys 3 6-packs of apple juice boxes and 5 4-packs of cranberry juice boxes for his pantry. Write an expression. So I'm going to have my 3. I'm going to put my number above the written part. So 3 6-packs and put my 5 right above the written part. 5 times 4 packs. So this is 18 plus 20. So he has 38 boxes. Okay, let's move it over to the next one. I'm going to be using this chart to answer question number 9. I have to reduce it just a tad. There we go. A little bit more. I thought it was going to work. Okay, so this is the Ultimate Amusement Park. Here are the tickets and the prices, along with 2 different rides. Number 9, which expression shows the cost of 1 adult? Okay, so here's 1 adult and 9 thrill rides. So this is times 9. So 1 adult is 15 plus 9 times 3, so it's going to be A. Won't work here because this is a child and I need an adult. This is correct, but I don't have 9 plus 3 because that doesn't make any sense. I have 9 plus $3. I have to multiply. So that doesn't work. I didn't buy 15 adult tickets and then had $3 left over, or somebody gave me $3, so that doesn't work. So it's A. Let's look at this next one. Vander and Courtney each paid $12 for admission. Okay, so they each paid. I know that's double. So I'm looking over here. Oh, this looks about right, and that looks about right. So I can get rid of these. They bought 14 thrill ride tickets at $3 each. So I'm going to put 14 times. So it's going to be B. Here's that. I didn't have 2 plus the $12. That doesn't make any sense. Or add plus 14. And number 11, Riley bought a child admission ticket. So I have a child. So I have $12. He used a coupon for $5. Oops, okay, so I'm going to subtract. Which expression shows Riley's total cost? Oh, 6 fun tickets. So here's my fun. 6 times. So it's 12 plus 6 times 2. That's right, but he had a coupon. So that doesn't work. This is adding. That doesn't work. This looks about right. And 12 times, I'm not going to add 5 more dollars. That's not right. So the answer is C. Let's look at number 12. The classroom has 12 chairs on the right side of the room, 15 chairs on the left side, and 9 chairs stacked in the back. Miss Kim wants to divide the chairs evenly into 3 groups. Which expression represents the situation? Okay, well, it's 12 chairs plus 15 chairs plus 9 chairs. I'm not multiplying that by 3 because it said divide. So I'm not taking the 9 chairs and putting on the 3 groups and then adding it. That doesn't make sense. I'm not adding them all together, so the answer is D. 12 plus 15 plus 9, total number of chairs, and divide that into 3 groups. At any time, make sure that you pause so that you can go back and take it at your pace. Mr. Richardson is driving to a town 85 miles away. It's like here in Seguin, more closer to Austin. He drives 35 miles per hour for 2 hours. Wow. Before stopping for lunch. He drives 6 more miles and stops for gas. Which expression shows how many miles Mr. Richardson has left to drive? So this is the total amount. So I have total, 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 and total. So this one's in parentheses, so let's see. He drives 35 miles per hour for 2 hours. Well, that's going to be the 35 times 2. So this is right. That's not. That's not. And this is not. Okay, and then he drives 6 more miles and then stops for gas. I'm so sorry. And stops for gas. Which one represents from how many miles he has left? Okay, now I'm subtracting this because this is the total amount that I have, and everything that I'm doing, I'm taking away. So once I take that additional 6 that he drives away, then I'll be able to know how much he has left to drive. All right, that was it for this evening. I will see y'all tomorrow. If you have not finished any of your quizzes, please come in tomorrow morning to see me at 7:15. I got to get here before 7:30. All right, y'all take care. Bye.